Hello beautiful people, welcome to the channel once again. And in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can be able to view your Wi-Fi password on your Windows operating system. So this video is going to be really helpful to you if you forgot your Wi-Fi password, or if you're looking to recover your forgotten Wi-Fi password. We're going to go through this in a very short step. So the first thing you have to do right now is to go over to this place that you can see the Wi-Fi icon, and you have to right click, click on open network and internet settings. So once you're here, you have to go over to change adapter options. You click on that. Once you go to this, you've seen this page here, you have to click on the Wi-Fi. I'll click this in my case. You have to go over to here that says wireless properties. Click on that. From here, you have to go to the next section here that says security, and all you have to do is to click on show characters. Once you click on show characters, your network security key will be revealed to you, and you can be able to see that on your screen right there. In my case, I won't do that. Okay guys, this is everything about this video. If you find this video helpful, go ahead, give this video a like, support the channel, drop a subscribe, turn on your bell notification just in case I drop other content like this. Okay guys, peace out, see you guys in the next one.